How can I get motivated as a drummer? I am learning to play the drums, but am not very good at the moment, and I am a bit older than your average drummer. Are you feeling unmotivated behind the kit? Are you struggling to make progress and wondering if it's even worth it? In this video, I'll share the real secret to staying motivated as a drummer. And it's not just about watching your favourite drummers play. Stick around because the key to motivation is simpler than you think, and it starts with action. A. Developing drummers. If you've ever felt like you're not good enough, or maybe even too old to really make progress on the drums, you're not alone. Many drummers, especially those just starting out, struggle to stay motivated, especially when they feel like they aren't improving fast enough. But here's the thing, motivation isn't something you wait for. It's something you create. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock that motivation and use it to fuel your drumming journey, no matter your age or current skill level. Alright, let's get into it. A lot of drummers will tell you that they find motivation by watching great drummers like Steve Gadd, Buddy Rich, or whoever inspires them. And while it's great to look up to others, that's not real motivation. That's just external influence. Here's the difference. Influence makes you want to practice something you saw that inspired you. But true motivation, that comes after you take action, not before, as most people think. Here's the secret. Motivation is the effect of action, not the cause. Let me explain. When you sit down at the drums and start practicing, even if you're not feeling motivated, inspired, at first you'll notice that as you start to improve, maybe you nail a groove or get a tricky fill right, that sense of accomplishment kicks in. That is what creates motivation. You feel rewarded for your progress, and it makes you want to keep going. You are motivated to keep going. So how do you start building that momentum? It's simple. You have to take action first. Get on the drums even when you don't feel like it. Start with something simple, and as you improve, motivation will naturally follow. It's a cycle. The more you practice, the more motivated you become, and that motivation leads to more practice. It's clear that self-discipline is the superpower here, not motivation. Now here's another tip. Always practice with a plan. Don't just sit down and jam aimlessly. Set specific goals for each practice session, whether it's learning a new groove, mastering a rudiment, or working on timing. Every time you check something off your list, it gives you that little boost of motivation because you've accomplished something. It's like giving yourself a reward, which keeps you going. And don't worry about being older or not good enough. Those thoughts will only hold you back. What matters is consistent, disciplined action and steady improvement. As long as you keep taking steps forward, no matter how small, motivation will continue to grow. But as suggested, you will need self-discipline to repeat the process the following day, and the next, and so on. In short, motivation builds on previous successes. It isn't the cause of them. Instead, it is the effect. Self-discipline is the cause. This is why the burning desire is so important, because that fuels your self-disciplined effort to persist. So, what's next? Remember, the key to staying motivated isn't waiting for inspiration to strike. It's about taking action, no matter how small. Every time you sit down and play, you're building that motivation from within. Now, if you've ever wondered whether age or skill level will hold you back from playing drums or joining a band, check out my next video. I'll answer the question. Are you too old to learn to play the drums or join a band? You won't want to miss it. Click the video to watch now.